Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode where today I have been online looking for, let me go get it. Okay, you could actually see the box right here. I've been online and ordered this box right here. This very awesome box over here. And what's in here is a diamond play button that is the rarest and the biggest one I could find online. So I don't think they sell it no more. So good I got it there. It didn't came with the wording. Oh yeah, meet my dog. I haven't seen him. Here he is. His name is Toby and he's a boy. But anyway. Again, I had it to do YouTube with the U. I messed bad. I messed up bad. And I don't know if that's how you spell diamond. I'm 9, okay? Don't judge me. Play button. I do know how to spell play and button. And I am not going to open this. I'm not going to open this until I see your comments. Whichever comment that says open it or do not unbox it. Well, and if the one with the most likes. So if the comment with most likes say unbox this thing, this giant thing, I will. The most likes will be no. So leave your comment in the description. I'm gonna leave a little bit for you. See it? I don't know if you see it, if you saw it. But okay, you may have seen it. That's not it. That one's the thing I paint. So if you thought that was a diamond play button, well, nope. So, yeah. See you. And I better see those comments running, people. Comment running. And if you're new here, why won't you give a big fat like? And why won't you go ahead and subscribe so you never, ever miss a video. And you do not want to miss my gaming videos. You would not want to see my gaming videos. See you.